Dear students, so we are going to study a new algebraic structure called ring by this video lecture. So what is a ring? Suppose R is a non-empty set and O and star are two binary operations defined on R. Then the algebraic structure R O star is called a ring if it satisfies following properties. So this is an algebraic structure having a set and two binary operations. The first property is R with respect to first binary operation form an abelian group. That is, it satisfies phi property, closure property. Closure property means A composition B should belongs to R for all AB belongs to R. Second, associative property. What is associative property? A composition B composition C is equals to A composition B composition C for all A, B, C belongs to R. Third, existence of identity. That is, for all there exists E belongs to R such that A composition E equals to E composition A equals to A for all A belongs to R. E is the identity with respect to the operation O. And fourth one is, for all A belongs to R, there exists its inverse, that is B belongs to R such that A composition B equals to B composition A equals to E. So B is the inverse of A with respect to the operation O. And fifth one is commutative property. A composition B equals to B composition A for all AB belongs to R. So with respect to first operation, R should be an abelian group. The second property is, with respect to second operation, this should be a semi group. So it must satisfy these two property. Number one, closure property with respect to the operation star, that is A star B must belongs to R for all AB belongs to R. And second one is associative property, that is A star B star C is equals to A star B star C. So R with respect to the first operation O is an abelian group. Second one, R with respect to second operation star is a semi group. And third, R must satisfy distributive property. So what are these distributive property? That is, A star B composition C should be equals to A star B composition A star C. This is left distributive property. And B composition C star A is equals to B star A composition C star A. So a non-empty set with two binary operations O and A star form a ring if it satisfies these properties. Number one, with respect to first binary operation O, R will form an abelian group. With respect to second binary operation A star, R must form a semi group, and R satisfies these two distributive property. This ring is called a commutative ring. This ring is called a commutative ring if R satisfies commutative property with respect to second operation. If it is R O star, then A star B is equals to B star A for all AB belongs to R. With respect to first operation, commutative property always satisfies, since with respect to first operation R is an abelian group. So commutative property always satisfied with respect to first operation. If R is commutative with respect to second operation, then the ring R is called a commutative ring. This ring is called a ring with unity. If the identity element exists with respect to second operation star, that is, there exists 1 belongs to R such that 1 star A is equals to A star 1 is equals to A for all A belongs to R. 1 is a symbol for unity. So if there exists identity element with respect to second operation, then the ring is called ring with unity. And we have a more general ring, that is commutative ring with unity. So a ring R is called a commutative ring with unity if R is commutative with respect to the operation star. Also R is having identity element with respect to the operation star. For example, we have set of real numbers and we have two operation plus and dot. So set of real numbers with respect to addition and multiplication form a ring. For this, it is clear that R plus is an abelian group. We have already proved it that set of real number with respect to addition form an abelian group. Also, R dot is a semi group, since product of two real number is a real number and real number set of real number is associative with respect to multiplication. So set of real number is form a semi group with respect to multiplication. Also R satisfies distributive property, that is A dot B plus C equals to A dot B plus A dot C for any three real numbers A, B, C, and B plus C dot A is equals to B dot A plus C dot A. So R satisfies all the properties of a ring with respect to addition and multiplication. So R, set of real number, form a ring with respect to addition and multiplication. For second example, take E of even integers. Take the set E of all even integers. This form a ring again with respect to addition and multiplication, and this ring is also commutative ring, since whenever A and B are two even integers, A dot B equals to B dot A. But this ring is without unity. This ring is not having unity, since 1 does not belongs to E. Since 1 is the element satisfying the property 1 into A equals to A into 1. So 1 is the unity, but 1 does not belongs to the set of even integers. So set of even integers form a commutative ring without unity with respect to addition and multiplication. Next example, consider the set of all 2 by 2 matrices over integers. So consider the set of all 2 by 2 matrices over integers and take two operations, addition of matrices and multiplication of matrices. So clearly, if we denote this set by M, then clearly M plus dot form a ring, and this ring is not commutative ring, non-commutative ring. So this form a ring which is non-commutative ring, and the unity element of this ring is 1 0 0 1. So this is the example of a non-commutative ring with unity. Now consider another example, the set of all matrices of the type A, B, 0, 0, such that AB belongs to Z. So consider the set of all matrices of the type A, B, 0, 0, such that AB belongs to Z. So this is a non-commutative ring without unity with respect to addition and multiplication of matrices. Since the identity element with respect to multiplication is 1 0 0 1, this does not belongs to this set, so this is a non-commutative ring without unity. Now consider another example, the set f of all continuous functions f from R to R, where R is the set of real numbers, where R is the set of real numbers. This form a ring with respect to the operation f plus g operated on x f of x plus g of x, and f into g operated on x is equals to fx into gx for all x belongs to R. So this is another example of a ring. Now consider one more example. Zi Gaussian integers a plus iota b such that ab belongs to z. This also form a ring with respect to the operation addition and multiplication of complex numbers. Right? Now consider another example. Let X be a non-empty set. The set Px, that is power set of X, denotes the set of all subsets of the set X. This is the power set of X. This form a ring under with respect to the addition and multiplication defined as a plus b equals to a union b minus a intersection b. हमने ये ऑपरेशन डिफाइन, वी हैव डिफाइंड ए ऑपरेशन a plus b equals to a union b minus a intersection b for all a b belongs to x, and a dot b equals to a intersection b. So this set also form a group with respect to the operations defined as, right? So these are some examples of rings. Now we have some results for the ring. Suppose R is a ring. We denote here the first operation by addition and second operation by multiplication. Then these results are true, that is a into 0 is equals to 0 into a is equals to 0 for all a belongs to R. Second, a into minus b is equals to minus a into b is equals to minus times ab for all ab belongs to R. Third result is minus a into minus b is equals to a into b, and the fourth one is a into b minus c is equals to a into b minus a into c for all a b c belongs to R.